Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mystic Holistic. I'm your host Dr. Vibha Pawar and this is a pick a card reading for 17 September 2021. So go ahead, pick a card. You have three options to choose from. Option 1, 2 and 3. Okay, let's get started. If you have selected option number 1, then you have got the Justice card. Now, Justice card is a card of balancing your emotions today, or you will experience harmony in your relationship. The confusions of your life can be overcome today by a means of finding inner balance as well. If we have to interpret this card with a yes or a no question, there are no clear indication of whether it is going to be a yes or a no. It could be a maybe yes or a maybe no as well. The Justice card is all about karma, fairness and balance in different affairs of your life. It does not suggest an outcome that is either for you or against you, but accountability, dignity or integrity are all like to its presence. For some of you, it could also represent that you would be engaging yourself in some legal matters today. It's also a card for star sign Libra as well, so it has a Libra energy around it. Overall, a good card to have, which is one of the major arcana cards as well. So it overall a very good card to have in your spread. So if you've selected option number 1, either you would be engaging yourself in some legal matters today, or it could be all about bringing in the balance between your emotional side and harmony in your relationships or business partnerships or career by means of finding some inner balance or inner strengths as well. If you've selected option number 2, then you have got the Lovers card. Now, Lovers is another major arcana card in the spread, and it do suggest that you are possibly at a crossroad somewhere in your life. While this card is a very highly symbolic of your relationships, love and togetherness, it could also be revealing some positive business partnership or teaming up with a move forward in your life. If you're seeking a yes or a no answer to this card, then the answer is definitely a yes. Lovers usually represents Gemini energies. So if you have anybody with a Gemini star sign, or you could be a Gemini star sign as well, these energies are Gemini energies. Also, it sometimes represents a choice to be made as well. And the spiritual message that it usually carries is the right choice you will be able to make if you accept others as well as yourself. And these choices will also shape up your priorities for the future. There could be a conflicting situation that would be experienced by some of you that could test your values today. Some of you might be facing some choice between your love relationship and your career. So make a wise decision, make a good choice for yourself today. But this is a good card to have in the spread. And definitely the answer to the questions of yes and no is definitely yes. So it's a positive card to have. Some of you might also experience a new relationship coming your way as well. And if you have selected card number 3, then you've got the Hanged Man. Okay, all three cards are three major arcana cards, so some spiritual lessons coming our way for today, guys. The interpretation for the hanged man is usually that you're either breaking some patterns, or you're letting go of old energies, or you're in a period of transition for yourself. It could also mean that this transition can lead to a fresh perspective. There is a possibility that you might experience certain events that would change your point of view as well, or it is asking you to change the point of view towards certain situation. Acting at the right moment will actually take you ahead. Keep in mind that the act of giving help is not more important than the person being helped. So keep in mind whom you are going to, extend your help to as well. Most of the time, hangman could also represent a time for rest. So the overall energies might suggest that you have to take a step back and have rest and think through your actions before you take actions with a change point of view as well. So overall, a good card to have, but if you are seeking a yes or a no answer with the hangman, then the answer to that question is again a maybe, because it is neither a positive or a negative card. So hangman usually represents that there would be a little bit of stagnation that you might experience. It's a time to rest and rethink on your actions before you take another step, and it's a card that suggests that you need to change the way you think, and you need to embrace some new perspective or new point of views in order to desire, in order to get the new outcome for the solutions or for the problems as well. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for listening. If these energies resonated with you for today, do mention that in the comment section below and let me know. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much again. You guys have a lovely day. Bye bye.